3, 2, 1.
Jackpot.
Is it working?
Oh my goodness, look at that dust. Let's have a little quick checkup. Oh, stop, dude, that's spinning fast. Guys, what is that?
What's going on, Scrubzah here, and welcome back. I'm gonna be going to the worst reviewed laundromat in my city. Got my dirty laundry right here. It's time to wash this. So Scrubs, if you haven't already, subscribe right now. Turn on your post notifications so you can be notified when I drop a brand new video. And last but not least, please go down below and scrub the like button. So Scrubs, that was your time. Let's go wash these clothes. Alright, Scrubs, I'm gonna read the 1-star reviews. Alright, so this is the worst reviewed laundromat in my city. This laundromat is in a pretty sketchy part of my city, but we're gonna go check it out. There's a review right here. It says, I went to wash my clothes, but when I came back, all my stuff were stolen. And when I reported the issue, they said it's not their responsibility. So I guess a lot of people steal at this laundromat. Another review right here. This laundromat is really old and doesn't wash my clothes properly. Do not recommend this place for anyone. That's why I'm here. We're gonna see if this is actually a 1-star reviewed laundromat. Another review right here. The machines are outdated and takes too long to wash my clothes. Come on, there's a big truck here. I'm filming. Come on. Why are you so loud? Come on. Another review right here. This place deserves 1 star. The place looks like it's about to fall apart. It's missing tiles. The ceiling is cracked. Do not go here. Worst laundromat in the city. People are actually taking their time to go ahead and give this place a 1-star review. These people are actually mad. You only give a 1-star review when you're like really disappointed. Another review right here. The place is really dirty, really cold, and it overcharges. Alright, so there's a bunch of 1-star reviews, but I'm not gonna say anything yet until I test it out. So let's go to the laundromat.
I'm trying to wash my clothes. This one is $3.50. Here's the machine right here. Let's give it a nice wash. So let's open this up. Alright, not bad. Alright, thank you. So we got this. This is detergent to wash your clothes.
Alright, so we're gonna wash my clothes. We're at the laundromat. I got my clothes right here. So here's the laundry machine. Check it out. So which setting should I use? Okay, so the color option is not too cold, not too hot. It's like warm, so it's good for the clothes. So I'll be using that. So I'll put my clothes in here. Check it out. So I'm gonna put my clothes in here. Here we go. We got this, the lucky sweater. We got my lucky t-shirt. We got my shorts. You know, my pants, and yeah, my tidy whities, socks, all in there. That's good. So add detergent to top. Oh man, I should have added detergent first. Let me just lift all this. This is the detergent right here. We're gonna put it under. I think that's good. Guys, I don't know how to do this. Load to top row. Okay, that's good. Close lid. Insert payment. Okay. Very simple. Now the payment is $3.50. $3.50 to wash my clothes. So let me put this in. Perfect. Just like that. Now let's push it in. Oh, that's lit. That's pretty fun. Okay, so now I gotta wait for the clothes to wash, and we'll get back to you guys. Alright, girls, so my clothes are washing right now. So in the meantime, I'm gonna show you around. Alright, so we'll start from here. So we got a bunch of washers right here. So one wash costs $3.50 and it takes 30 minutes. These are the steps to wash your clothes. So first you got to put the detergent in, then the clothes, close the lid, then put your payment in, and I think choose your setting, then put your payment in. All right, so I got some nice plants here, some nice plants here. What is that? That's an orange tree. Yo, that's an orange tree. What the heck? Stop. Eat it. We got Almond Mo TV right here. What is up? Did you actually?
Like it? It tastes like orange. No, you get like the orange scent, like.
Alright, so this is the orange tree right here. It's pretty cool. So let me see. Let me grab one. I got an orange right here. Oh, why is it so dusty? Oh, you put that in your mouth. So that's the orange, really dusty. I don't know why there's an orange tree here.
There's some broken machines here. All right. There's instructions here, or what is this? Some safety rules. All right, not bad. Right here says management is not responsible for theft. So we're not responsible for damage to clothes in the washer and dryers. Lots of hazardous wires here. Let's see here. Guys, what is that? What the heck? Look at that dirt. That's all dust. Oh my goodness, guys. Look at all that dust. These plants are dying here. They need water. Someone give them water. I put my clothes in and look how dirty this is. Or the machines with the green tape don't work, so this machine is broken. The coin slot thing is broken, so that's probably why it's not working. We got some more green tape there. Look at the cables, guys. All loose cables. Hazardous. All right, it's on the final spin right now. Let's just see. Let's have a little quick checkup. Oh, stop. Yo, that's spinning fast. Yo, that's spinning fast. Okay, it's looking pretty good. Okay, not bad. Let's close that. All right, so this is Ahmed's load. Let's see. Okay, his has a lot of water in it. He's in the rinsing process. Not bad. So these are the washers. Washing is $3.50. It takes 30 minutes. Right here are the dryers. It's $2.50. It takes 25 minutes. All right, so these are the dryers right here. Let's check out the dryers. All right, not bad. So this is the filter. The filter is clean, I think. Is that clean? Yeah, I think it's clean. This one doesn't work. It has the green tape. There's dryers here. There's dryers all along here. Not bad. This one doesn't work. There's tape here. All right, Scrubs, so my clothes are done washing. Let's check it out now. The clothes are right here. Oh, not bad.
Wait.
Let's see. So the pants, not bad.
Are they wet?
Yeah, they're wet. So they need to get dried. Check it out. The detergent's still on it. The detergent didn't get clean, but it's put in the basket. Let's see. My shorts. I guess those are good. My shirt. Oh, wait.
Wait.
What the heck? Do they see that?
Is it blue?
It's looking
Bro, I
pretty
don't
blue.
think the camera can get it. Let me see.
It's looking pretty blue.
Oh, it looks
This
blue.
is white. Yo, it's looking blue. What the heck? Wait, can you see that?
I don't think so. The camera can't tell.
Guys,
It's kind of, you could actually kind of see it.
It actually looks blue, guys. This was white when I put it in. Now it's like looking blue. Okay. So this one actually smells not bad. Not that strong of a detergent scent, but I guess it's good. My other clothes. So for $3.50, it's all right, but I don't know. My white shirt started looking blue, but let's put it in the dryer now. All right, so it's time to put the clothes in the dryer. So there's a dryer right here. So let's put this in. Let's make sure all the clothes is in here. We gotta get it all dried up. Let's make sure the filter is clean. Okay, the filter is clean, that's good. And then we gotta put the dryer sheets so there'll be no static on the clothes.
How much was that?
This was 25 cents. All right, that's good. Now let's close it. Oh, is there a lock? I don't know.
I think it's like magnetic.
Yeah, I think it's magnetic. Okay, so, oh wait. There's different settings. White and colors, sturdy and delicate. I'll just do white and colors. All right, not bad. So it's $2.50. This should take 25 minutes. So let's do the coin slot thing again. Arcade machine. 3, 2, 1.
Jackpot.
Is it working?
Did you press start?
Oh, there we go. That's good. All right. The clothes is drying now, so I'll get back to you in 25 minutes. All right, we got clothes drying here. What is that? The hot water tank, I'm pretty sure. Okay, so there's these laundry bins right here. Not bad. And there's another one right here. So you can put your clothes in here. Jump in. Go inside. Okay, no, I'm joking. Relax. Oh, check this out. There's like empty detergents here. What kind of detergent is this? Oh, this one smells good. It's actually fleecy. Guys, check that out. There's a spider web up there. Oh my goodness. The ceiling is falling apart. Let's see what's going on here. Oh, what the heck? It's like a whole workshop back here. There's a fridge here. So the soap costs 75 cents. Dryer sheets cost 25 cents. Laundry bag is $1 and soap box is $1.50. All right. Oh, check it out. There's a TV here. All right, not bad. All my clothes are dry. Let's just have another look. So we got a lot of dust here, guys. What the heck? Oh my goodness, look at that dust. Yo, look at all that dust there. This is actually not safe. Look at all these cables. Oh, we got some dirty clothes here. All right, plants here. These plants are dusty. I don't think anybody waters these plants. Whoa, look at all that dust on the plants.
So my thing is literally filled with water again. I guess my...
What the heck?
I literally put them at the same time you did.
Yeah, you're just taking longer than 30 minutes.
What is this machine in use?
Wait, oh, I think it's rinsing now. Now it's like draining it out.
Oh,
Yeah, it's draining it. Okay. So it's almost done. Let's have a look. Look, it should be draining. Oh yeah, it is draining. See? Oh,
Okay,
not bad. Not bad, not bad.
Should I taste the water? Give it a taste test?
Hey, taste test, taste test. Alright, so the dryer stopped. It's been 25 minutes. Let's open it up. Let's see if the clothes is nicely dry. Oh yeah, it's so nice. Oh, I love this feeling. Ah, guys, you wanna feel that? Oh yeah, that's good, that's good, that's good. Okay. So this is the dryer sheet. We can throw this in the garbage.
Why? Save it for the next time you wash.
Relax. It's one-time use.
Oh.
Let's grab the clothes. Oh yeah, this is nice and warm. Smells good, actually. Smells not bad. All right, the pants, you know, do that shake. I don't know, my mom taught me this. You like shake the clothes. I don't know why. All right, not bad. Okay, my white shirt. Okay. Oh, I think it's back to normal. I don't know.
I think maybe because it was wet, that's why it turned blue.
Yeah.
Kinda.
Okay, so this is back to normal. All right. Oh yeah. These are nice. These are my Monday boxers. Someone's looking. Don't show them those. Got our socks here, so that's good. I'm pretty sure I did his job. Everything's clean. Oh wait, we can't forget about this. You ready? Let's see if it picked up any lint. Oh, we got lint right there. Oh, look at that, it's all the lint. Look at that, it's filled with lint. So I think you just take this and dump it like this. Yeah,
That's clean.
Alright, so my clothes are done. They're washed. I'll let you know what I think in a bit. Alright, Scrubs, there you have it. That was the worst reviewed laundromat in my city. We got the film there because I said I'm doing a school project, how to do laundry, and they actually let us film. So I'll give my honest review about the place. So honestly, it wasn't that bad. I kind of think it was overcharged because the wash is $3.50, the dryer is $2.50. I had to buy the detergent and the dryer sheet, so it's a total of $7 to wash my clothes. And my clothes didn't smell like flowers. You know, I wanted my clothes to smell delightful, but it just had a bland, clean smell. So I think it deserves 2 stars. Not 1 star, 2 stars. Alright, Scrubs, hopefully there's a video. If you want to do more videos like this, please let me know in the comments down below. What worst or best thing should I review next? Alright, Scrubs, don't forget to scrub the like button, scrub the comment section, scrub some merch, and last but not least, scrub the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Keep scrubbing.